Hello everyone, my name is Jitin Reddy and today I'll talk about the topic on thick and thin client approach to software architecture. Thick client. The idea behind thick client is to keep a significant portion of computing on the client side. Servers may also use computing power, but the system cannot rely on servers only. Thin client. Thin clients mean that most of computing power is located on the server, which when client only provides an interface to it. Now let's discuss about thick client. A thick client are the ones who work with information based on their own software and hardware, whereas a thin clients are the ones who work with information that's stored as a server. A thick client approach is more efficient when you want to create a system in which many users can work with the same data at the same time because each other has their own copy of the software and hardware. Thin client. A thin client approach is more efficient when you want fewer users working with the same data because each user shares the software and hardware. Some argue that thin clients are more scalable than thick clients. Thin clients can be easily added to or removed from a network without impacting the other users, while thick clients require significant coordination between users when adding or removing them. Now let's talk about how thick and thin client approach works. In addition, thin clients can be used to connect to a variety of different servers while thick clients are usually specific to one server. Others argue that thick clients are more reliable than thin clients. If a server goes down, users will still be able to access their data and applications offline, while with a thin client, they wouldn't. In addition, if the network connection is lost or interrupted, thick clients can continue to work, while thin clients cannot be able to function. I conclude that both approaches have their own advantages and disadvantages, and it really depends on the situation as to which approach is best. In general, I would argue that a thick client approach is more efficient than a thin client approach, but it really depends on the specific situation. For example, if you are working with sensitive data that needs to be kept secure, a thin client approach might be best. If you are working with a large amount of data that needs to be accessed by many users at the same time, a thick client approach might be best. Thank you.